Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make text vector in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Text color black, then choose the text size, type anything, click text layer, then right click on your mouse, convert to shape, path selection tool, right click, direct selection tool, edit, click in a corner, then move anywhere, or press Ctrl T on your mouse, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click, or OK. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.